Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to easily personalize your Mac desktop wallpaper with your family and pet photos to remind you of beautiful moments in your life. First, create a new folder on your Mac by right-clicking on your desktop and selecting New Folder. Name it, for example, My Desktop Wallpapers. Next, put all the images you want to use as desktop wallpaper into this folder to stay organized. To replace your current wallpaper with one of your photos, right-click on it and move your mouse pointer to Services. Select Set Desktop Picture and release your mouse button. This is how easy it is to personalize your desktop wallpaper on your MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, or Mac Mini. To change it to a different wallpaper, right-click on the photo you want to use, select Services, and select Set Desktop Picture.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more. Thank you.
If you decide to use one of your macOS default wallpapers, right-click on your current desktop picture or wallpaper, and from the context menu select Change Wallpaper. This will open System Settings, where you can choose any default wallpapers in your current macOS version. Once in the System Settings Wallpaper section, click Show All to view all the available images. If a wallpaper is not on your Mac, clicking on it will download it to your Mac. I'll select the desert. As you can see, it's downloading now. Dynamic wallpapers brighten and darken based on the time of the day and your current location. However, you can also select just light or dark from the drop-down menu. You can also change your wallpaper by dragging a photo onto the current wallpaper thumbnail in the wallpaper settings. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on the LT Lucid Tutorials logo and sharing the video link with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.